welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today we're going to do a little pick-me-up, a little upgrade of this little plush gnome that you get at Dollar Tree. I like to upgrade these little guys. I did them for Valentine's Day, and I'm going to do them for Christmas. This is what they look like after you've upgraded them a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I do to them today. It's just a short little video. So what you want to do is you take your little gnome, and the problem is he doesn't stand up very well. So what you want to do is take your scissors and just cut along the back seam enough to get the marbles in there. And we're gonna put some marbles inside him. That's 6. I'm counting. Kind of push them over to the front there. And then he'll sit up nicely. And then what you want to do is just put your glue right in that seam like that and hold that back shut. So I'll give that a minute to set up. So I've got that glued, and then you want to turn them over and go ahead, and I've got these 1 1¼ inch and 1 inch wood balls glued to the paint stir stick. That's so I can paint them easily. I painted them with this Tester's Craft Paint by Rust-Oleum. And then you want to glue them just lightly to the stir stick so you can just pop them off. And we're going to pop one off now, like that. And it's all ready to glue on. Give them a nose. And I'll have to hold that a minute. So we got the nose glued on there. And the next thing we want to do is pop off these 1 inch wood balls and put those, we're going to use those for his hands. So you just want to pop them off like that. Much easier to paint them glued onto a stir stick than rolling around on a table. So then you want to cut his hands, the cloth hands, like that. I'm going to pull out a little bit of this stuffing, and we're going to glue the hands on. Just like that inside the red fur. I'll pull a little bit of that glue off. Like that. And then we'll do the other side. There we go. I just want to pull out enough that I can get the wood ball in there. Just like that. And I'll be right back with you. The next thing we want to do is go ahead and put this pom-pom on the end of his hat. Give him some color. So we're just going to put the glue in there and just kind of pinch it on the end here. Put that right in there and just pinch it on like that. And let that set up. It doesn't take a lot to get them upgraded. Just a few minutes. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take and make a little wreath. These are wired garland ties that you can get at Dollar Tree. There's 12 in a package, and I use them for everything. I always buy a few packages at the beginning of the season because I know I'll use them for a lot of things. So you just want to make a little wreath and just keep putting your tie around it like that. Like that. And then take one of these Dollar Tree bows. We're going to use a green one. Our last green one we'll use. And I clip that off a little bit. And we'll glue that on the wreath. And then we'll get that glued onto the hand over here. And that's all there is to it. He's really upgraded a lot. Let me let that dry and I'll show you what he looks like in the sleigh. Now these come, I believe, in red, green, blue, and gray. Are the colors that you can find them in. I don't even have the gray one here, but I will be doing this blue one. And I'm going to put them all on the sleigh here. Up here like this. They'd be great little gifts to give, and who wouldn't be happy to get one of these to maybe put on their desk or dresser or something like that. And that's how they're going to look. So if you like this video, make sure to like it. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And stay tuned for this weekend to see us, because we'll be doing a video on Sunday that you'll really like. All about, well, I guess I can't tell you. But I'll see you then.